A lot going on when you look at treasuries, but also equities. Will the rally in equities last, given how treasury yields are actually behaving? The million-dollar question.
Yeah, good question, Francine. I'm one surprised to see how resilient the equity market is in the face of these higher treasury yields this morning. S&P futures and NASDAQ futures both solidly in the green on this first day of the fourth quarter. This is all happening amid the backdrop of rising treasury yields. Let me show you how the curve is behaving. We are nearly 5 basis points higher across the entire treasury curve. Remember, Francine, last week's narrative was very much that these higher treasury yields were really denting risk sentiment, really denting this appetite when it came to futures. It's posing a few questions out there to the market. We're now thinking about the supply and demand dynamic when it comes to this treasury market, that maybe the first big loser of this higher for longer mantra is actually the U.S. government. 30% of treasuries need to be refinanced in the next 16 months. Will these yield levels tempt foreign buyers back in, or do they need something juicier? And on that note, we do hear from some Fed speakers later today. We hear from the man himself. Jerome Powell will be speaking at 4 p.m. UK time alongside Patrick Harker, the Federal Reserve Bank president of Philadelphia. There will be Q&A from the audience at this meeting, Francine. Will he be asked about the recent rise in treasury yields, and will he mention any concerns he has with the fact that these yields in the long end have risen so rapidly in the month of September?